This is the York heat pump that I made a video of a couple months ago. It is a 3.5 ton Stellar Plus. And obviously in this weather it is running in cool mode. And I believe this is from either 1999 or 2000. And there's a little roly-poly pill bug under there. Air handler is located up in the attic. And I forget what year this house was built. I think it was in the early 70s. It did not originally have central air. It used to have electric baseboard heat. They ripped all that out and replaced that with the heat pump about 10 or 11 years ago. Don't know what the hell that is. Alright, Frito really wants to get on with the walk, so thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Out.